Chapter 5. Working with a mouse. Topics covered. Types of mouse. Functions of mouse buttons. A mouse has two buttons, left mouse button and right mouse button. Left mouse button is used for selecting or pointing an object. Right mouse button shows us a list of menus with various commands. As we move the mouse, the cursor on the screen moves in the same directions. It can be compared to moving a finger while reading a book. Cyber tidbits. The mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in 1963. The mouse Douglas invented looked like this. Types of mouse. There are different types of mouse. 1. Scroll-wheeled mouse. A scroll-wheeled mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle of the left and the right button. We can move a page up and down by moving the scroll wheel. 2. Ball mouse. A ball mouse has a ball under it. This ball helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. 3. Optical mouse. An optical mouse has a lighting system, instead of a ball, for movement of the mouse pointer. 4. Wireless mouse. This mouse can be connected to a system without wire because it works on Wi-Fi concept. Functions of mouse buttons. We can move the mouse pointer on the screen. We can place the mouse pointer on an icon and select it. After this, we can perform a number of actions. Try pressing a button on the mouse. Did you hear a click sound? This action is called clicking the mouse. We can take 4 mouse clicking actions: left click, double click, right click, and drag and drop. Left click. To left click, gently press the left mouse button once and release it. This action is called clicking the mouse. This mouse makes a clicking sound once. Double-clicking the mouse. When we press and release the left mouse button twice quickly, it is called double-clicking the mouse. A double click is generally used to open a window on the computer. Right-click. When we press the right button once and release it, it is called a right click. We use the right click to open a list of options on the monitor. Drag and drop. Let us now understand the most commonly used operation of the mouse: drag and drop. This action is used to move an item from one place to another on the monitor with the help of a mouse. Click an object and then hold the mouse button as you drag the object to a new location. Now, drop the object by releasing the mouse button. Selecting the object, drag and drop the selected object to its new position. Drag and drop can be used to easily move, shift or delete an object. These activities of a mouse makes it a more useful device.